So I bought a keyboard from Shein. I know it's a bit of a risk. This is the MAGEGee or MAGEGee. I'm not really sure how it's pronounced. MK Star 75 wired mechanical keyboard with brown switches, I believe. I hope this is a good purchase. Let's unbox it and see. So we're just gonna unbox this and we get extra keycaps, manuals, cable, Type-C to USB-A, keycap puller, and this is the keyboard. Sound test. Let's plug it in and see. Okay, so this is the keyboard connected. It has backlight. It's just blue. There's no other color. FN, insert.
FN tab.
Oh, nice.
So just the colors.
No, it's just blue. So you have different modes. Oh, this is cool. Nice. It also has a volume rocker. I'm assuming you can set this to anything. Press it, it mutes, unmute, volume up, volume down. Hopefully you can just set it to whatever you want. And on the back of the keyboard, you have these, which is 2 sets. I forgot what it's called, but you got 2 sets and you can just lift it up. Do I regret buying a keyboard from Shein? No. Hopefully. Cheers.